It's new. Hey everyone, it's Nicole here with your July Beauty Loop unboxing. We also have a super juicy $1,000 mystery box prize you could win, so stay tuned to the end to find out how. Level 1. You may have noticed that our Beauty Loop boxes have had a little bit of a makeover. This is to celebrate our beauty election. One of my top picks from the Level 1 box is the Too Faced Replenishing Hangover Spray. You can prime your makeup with it and set it. One of my all-time favorites is the NARS Velvet Matte Lip Pencil. I love this color, so I'm gonna pop it on right now. I love that it's in a pencil as well, so that you can get a really precise line. Level 2. You'll find in your Level 2 Beauty Loop box the NuFace Prep Glow. One side is super smooth to cleanse the skin, and if you flip it over, the other side is textured to be able to exfoliate the skin. And you don't need a NuFace device to use this. I'm so excited you're going to be receiving the Hourglass Mineral Veil Primer. It creates a super smooth base for foundation. Now it's time for Level 3. If you're a lover of perfume, you're in for a treat. In this month's Level 3 Beauty Loop box, you'll either receive a sample of the Tocca fragrances or an Odejo sample. Happy spritzing! And now this one's a star fave. You'll be receiving the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray that has temperature control technology to make your makeup last all night. There you have it, a sneak peek inside July's Beauty Loop boxes. Head in store or shop online to redeem yours from tomorrow onwards while stocks last. Now back to the amazing mystery box prize valued at $1,000. To be able to have the chance to win this, subscribe to the Mecca Beauty Junkie channel and comment below your Instagram handle. Good luck!